Well, a very warm welcome to this next session in the GMIS Digital series, focusing on how Brazil is managing manufacturing and economic growth in a post-pandemic era.
We have rising and positive expectation among business people within the industrial sector. And industry investments intention are recovering. However, we still have a great challenges ahead. Most firms and companies and also families are still in a fragile situation. Hence, a transition period to sustain growth depends on keeping some of the current measures and on implementing new ones. Brazil needs to improve its business environment and its competitiveness.
Given that we have a complex industrial structure, and given that internationally there is going to be a sort of a trend towards diversification of sourcing, whether the Brazilian economy, especially the large corporations with links abroad, their established value chains, do not have an opportunity to enter global value chains with more firmness relatively to what we had in the past. It's a huge challenge, but it would depend very much not only on the structural reforms, the tax, so on the easier of doing business, but also on the strategy of firms to be more outgoing, outlooking.
Women are 52% of the population in Brazil, and our surveys found out that women-led enterprises are less profitable and they are less competitive than men-led enterprise. What is it that is undermining women entrepreneurship in Brazil? And this is basically what the crisis of COVID-19 shed a lot of light. We have to deal with culture aspects and we have to deal with the unpaid domestic jobs. We have to focus on soft skill development because culture affects men and women differently, and this kind of result affects more soft skills development in women. And mentoring is key to overcome this issue.
How can we prepare these people to entrepreneurship? So I guess this is the main challenge, that the government needs the partnership with the companies, the industry, the academia, and we are trying to do that together. The country that prioritizes everything prioritizes nothing. So we choose four main areas: is the agribusiness, the industry, health, and cities. Two of them very close to the people, to the well-being. That's the cities and the health environment. And you have two very close to the GDP, that's the industry and the agribusiness in Brazil.